abortions are something that about a quarter of women will experience by the time that they're 45. So it is a very relatively common procedure that is done in reproductively aged women. And for that reason, it is a very, very important issue for us to discuss, especially in this new era post Roe v. Wade. Now, with the new guidance from the Supreme Court, the constitutionality and the backing of the government in supporting abortion care for women is going to be largely dictated either by Congress or by the states. And so one of the immediate things I think that we've already experienced and that's going to continue to happen is the fact that there is going to be a big divide as to which states will allow for continued abortion care and which states will not. And so that will immediately marginalize or jeopardize those women in those states that don't have access to abortion care for whatever reason, whether it's miscarriage management or congenital anomalies or even elective terminations. So there's already going to be a huge divide from that standpoint. And to be honest, I think it's going to have huge socioeconomic implications for these women. So women who are able, they have the resources to travel to states where they can get the care that they need. They are the ones who are going to be able to do this, whereas those who are unable to take time off to travel or find a way to navigate to another state are unfortunately the ones that are going to have to bear the brunt of this ruling. So, oftentimes that leads to issues for those women specifically in the lower socioeconomic status and further marginalizes them. So it's really accentuating the inequitable healthcare that exists, and in particular for women. I think additionally, in terms of training, I think it's going to have a huge implication on training of future OBGYNs. I know for me, a huge part of why and how I'm comfortable providing safe abortion care is because of the remarkable training I had, which helped highlight the health, political, and mental aspects of going through something like this. So it's going to be a huge cohort of future OBGYNs who may not have the ability to provide safe abortion care, whether this is in an elective or an unelective setting. So I think it has got huge implications for the future